Using my air chipper, I was able to get done both control arms from the front and a differential from the back. And it took me about 5 hours, but part of that time was spent taking the ball joints out of the control arms and other various little things, cleaning grease off of them before I could use the chipper. So I'm pleased with the results. There is a little bit of rust color on here, but that is stuff that will be easily taken care of with one of the rust preventive products that I have. Something like Pickle X20 or the Marine Clean Prep for Pour 15, Osfo. Any of those will take care of that little bit of rust. And once I get the rust proofing primer and paint on those, they should be good for a number of years.